Now that you are a content writer, now that you are a ghostwriter, so the big question is this: if a client call you for a project, how do you really write this content? 1. How do you get paying clients? 2. Where do you get these paying clients? How much can you really charge for content writing, for ghostwriting? Now, as a ghostwriter, what kind of content can you really write? These are what I'll be teaching you if you stay with me to the end of this very class. Today is the last day for content creation and ghostwriting class, and trust me, it has been an exciting one and educating one from the onset of this very class. If you know you've missed out from the previous classes, just go through our videos and watch those recorded videos on content creation and ghostwriting. I don't want to waste any further time. Let's go straight to the topic of the day. You may ask me a question like, who can really hire you as a content writer, or who can really hire you as a ghostwriter? So I want you to know that ghostwriters or content writers, they are really hired by a wide range of individuals, an organization that need high quality content, but they actually lack the skills, they lack the time, they lack the expertise to write this content themselves. So they are going to hire you to write this content for them. So I'm going to be listing some clients that can really hire you for these jobs. Number 1 is celebrities and public figures, like your actors, your musicians, athletes, even influencers. They hire you to do some content writing for them. Number 2, business leaders and entrepreneurs, like CEO of companies, executives. They actually use ghostwriter and content writer to write some of their books, their memo, or their speech. 3, of course, you must have seen governors, presidents, looking at their table while they are reading. They are actually reading what a ghostwriter has written for them or what a content writer has written for them. Number 4 is author and publishers. Number 5 is marketing agency and brands. And last but not the least, number 6, academics and researchers. Now, these people can be your possible clients. They can be people who will hire you to do these writing jobs for them. If you're a ghostwriter, how much can a content writer really make while writing content for people? Now, I want you to know that the average amount a content writer can really make is between $50,000 to $72,000 if you are writing for an international company. Now, listen, I said if you are writing for an international company, or monthly you can make up to like $500 to $1,000 if you have back-to-back gigs. Now, content writers, they charge per word. E.g., this is a boy. A content writer can charge you 0.5 cents for word. This, they charge you 0.5 cents, is 0.5 cents, as the case may be. Some of them might even charge you $1 per word. Now, imagine you writing 500 words for like 4 gigs or for like 5 gigs. What I mean by gigs is project. Yeah, you'll be making more than $2,000 at a go. There are some content writers that are making more than $1,000 in a week or in few days. So if you get high-paying client, trust me, you can make big money. So all you just need to do is make sure to get a high-paying client. Now, what if you are a ghostwriter? How much can you really make? So I'm going to break it down for you as ghostwriters. Let's say you are writing books or memo. You can make between $5,000, $100,000 plus per project. What if you are writing articles or blog posts? You can make up to $50 to $1,500 per article or per post, and it depends on the length and the publication. If you are writing speeches or corporate writing, you can make up to $500 to $10,000 per speech or per report. What if you want to write music for someone, or you want to write music lyrics for someone? Now, in terms of music and music lyrics, you can actually tell the artist that every royalty that comes from that music, you guys will share it by percentage. Or if you are not comfortable with that, you can tell the person, okay, there should also be an upfront payment fee from $500 to $50,000, as the case may be. Yes, they are artists. They can actually afford that. Say you want to write for social media post or content marketing. You can make between $100 to $5,000 per month for ongoing content creation. How do you become a content writer, or how do you become a ghost writer? Number 1, you must develop a strong writing skills. Number 2, you must network and market yourself. Being a content writer is not just the big deal. The big deal is how you can market yourself to get deals. So you must promote yourself, you must market yourself. Number 3, start with small projects. Rome was not built a day. Don't expect to start with big gigs. No, start with small projects. Number 4, you must build your portfolio. Because when a client reaches out to you, the first thing they will ask you, can I see your portfolio? Now, you show them your portfolio. After checking your portfolio, they can now give you any gig they want to give you. Number 5, specialize on a specific niche. It can be music, it can be business writing, it can be memo, etc. So that when a client sees you, they know where to focus their mind on. Number 6, set a clear agreement. This is very important. When they give you a job, let there be an MOU between you and that person. Now, this is not only content writing or ghostwriting. In anything you do, make sure there is MOU. Because if you breach any contract, you may go in for it. To avoid any unnecessary quarrel or argument, make sure there is an MOU on ground. Let's say a client gives you a job. They want you to write a content on a specific article. They've given you the topic. Now, I want you to know that with the help of AI, you can write any content of your choice. So you're going to use AI to generate this content, copy them to Microsoft Word, arrange them, format them the way you want, convert them to PDF and send it back to your client, and you are paid. Now, you may ask me, how do you write this content with AI? I'm going to show you a practical step on how you can actually write this content with AI. When a client reach out to you and they have given you that topic to write that article on, all you need to do is just come to your Google and type chatgpt.com or openai.chatgpt.com. Now create an account with them and log into the ChatGPT. Now you will see where they write, what can I help you with? All you need to do is paste the topic there. E.g., they ask you to write the history of Nigeria, not more than 500 words. Then just hit enter. Now ChatGPT is going to write everything for you. The history of Nigeria, not more than 500 words. Now ChatGPT is going to write everything about Nigeria for you. Now once you are done, all you need to do is just copy your write-up and take it to Microsoft Word and format them. Now that I'm done writing, all I need to do is just come here, copy everything, then you go to Microsoft Word, you open a new document, you paste it here like this. So all you need to do is highlight, Ctrl J to justify. Now the brief history, you can bold this and you can underline this. Once you are done, let's assume you are done with this, all you need to do is just save your work as a PDF file like this. Just save it as a PDF file and save it with the name, let's say History of Nigeria, and save it. Once you are done saving it, send it to your client. As easy as that. Whether it is an artist that asks you to write a music or a memo or a speech, all you need to do is just come to ChatGPT or any other AI website that is there, like meta.ai that is owned by Facebook. You can use it to generate content like this, as simple as this. So you don't need to stress your head to write content. No, just go to AI. It will write everything for you. Where do you really get high-paying clients, or where can you really render your services as a freelancer? Because automatically you've become a freelancer. Now, there are some websites I'll be listing for you that you can go and, register with them, create an account with them to become a freelancer. Number one website here is Fiverr. It's called Fiverr.com. Now, register an account with Fiverr.com. If you create an account with Fiverr.com, you will see that you have many categories or many services. You see many people that are here. Categories like programming and tech, graphic, digital marketing, writing, translation. So you that are into writing, you can come to the category of writing and translation. So from there, you will see other people that have, that have listed their services. All you need to do is create an account with Fiverr and list your gig also. Now, other websites, we have Upwork. Upwork.com. Upwork.com is just like Fiverr. The same thing with Fiverr, we have other categories. Create an account with Upwork and list your services. Now we have writing and translation. We have writing and translation on Upwork also. So you can do this. Then we have, I think we have Guru.com. We have Guru.com. You can create an account with guru.com also. Okay, let's say guru. We have guru.com. Now, go to guru.com, sign up as a writer or a content writer, a sales marketer, writing and translation. Now, you see that writing and translation is large. You can easily get people to give you gigs on writing and translation. This is how you get high-paying clients. Now, after you list your gigs there, people who need your services will come there and buy your services. You are going to receive a notification that so person need your services. All you need to do is go there, render your services, you withdraw your money to your bank account. I want you to know that there is no limit to which you can really make or you can really earn as a content writer or a ghost writer. What will just stop you is start. If you don't want to start, that is the limitation. But immediately you start, you see that you keep going. So I dare you today to go create an account with one of these websites and start making money. I hope I have answered some of the questions that you wish to answer. If not, go to the comment section, ask those questions. I will come and answer those questions. If you don't want to miss out from the next class, or if this is the first time you're coming across our channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so that you'll be first to receive our videos. Share this video to as many you want them to really participate in this class. And I will see you in the next class.